the Mitsubishi PLC connected to my computer with this regular C9 wire. If you have Mitsubishi, then you should already have these wires. And the program is simple. The internal relay of M0 will activate the coil of Y1. This is I open my Python file. And this will activate the M0. Let's see how fast it responds. M0 on, Y1 is active. M0 off, it's off. On, off. Okay, now let's do some monitoring. Now this line will represent all the Y0 to Y7 coils. Now let's see. M0 on, and this is a 1. 0, 1. Okay, so it's possible to read and write commands from Python to PLC.